My passion has always been for fashion, but my real passion is bringing people together. So I created a shoe that would be the new friendship bracelet and that women can wear anywhere. When you get to put on a matching shoe with your best friend, it means like you're walking life together. International Women's Day means to me women of all kinds coming together as a force and encouraging each other and allowing the differences to be strengths. It's super important to surround yourself around women that encourage you, that make you better, and you do the same for them. The Mommy Me collection is a matching sandal. I think it creates a bond between a mom and her daughter. It's their own friendship bracelet within that. Be you, be kind, be love means to be yourself, to spread kindness wherever you go, and in turn that becomes a chain reaction that creates love in this world, which we need a lot more of. Hi, my name is Alexandra Brandao. Sorry, what was I supposed to say? I totally said that wrongly. Hi, my name is Alexandra Brandao, and this is the Aria shoe collection.